Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to renew Namecheap hosting and domain. So let's get started. So at first we need to visit namecheap.com, and then from the top we are going to click on account, and then we are going to click on dashboard. Now here we need to enter our Namecheap username and password, and then click on sign in and continue. So now we are in the Namecheap dashboard, and from here we are going to see how we can renew our web hosting. So at first we are going to renew our web hosting, and after that we are going to see how we can renew our domain. So to renew our web hosting, from the left menu we are going to click on hosting list, and here it will show us all the web hosting plans that we have purchased from Namecheap. Next to our web hosting plan we will see a auto renew option, so we are going to turn it on. So I am going to click on this toggle button. So as you can see that auto renew has been updated, and on September 8, 2023, our web hosting will be auto renewed. So this is how you can renew web hosting on Namecheap, and now we are going to see how we can renew domain name on Namecheap. So to renew our domain name, from the left menu we are going to click on domain list, and here we will see all the domains that we have purchased from Namecheap. Next to our domain name we will see a auto renew button, so we are going to turn it on, and here it will show us a pop-up. So we are going to click on this yes button, and as you can see that request processed successfully, and our domain will auto renew on September 9, 2023. So this is how you can renew your domain and web hosting on Namecheap. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.